Hello, welcome to our new video on installing LAMP stack on Ubuntu machine. So with refers to our blog, LAMP stack is the widely used web hosting servers. So the term LAMP refers to Linux, Apache web server, MySQL database and PHP. So let's get started with the practical session by referring the blog. So here's our terminal. So first we'll copy this command. We'll be installing Apache 2. So once after Apache is installed, we'll check the status and we'll enable the service so that when the machine gets rebooted, so it gets enabled automatically. So we don't need to turn on the service each time. Enter. Yeah. So after this we'll be installing our MySQL database. So copy the command, paste the terminal. So these are the packages we are going to install. So these are the packages and the version is 5.7. The package is getting installed, it's almost 96%. So even after this is the installation is completed, we'll enable the MySQL service and we'll check the status. So the status is active. After this we have few steps to configure the database initially, like setting the root password, blocking the public access, removing the test database. So we'll do that quickly. So this is asking us to install the validate password plugin. Let's not install it, press enter. So now you need to set the password. So I'm setting my password here. This is the root password, and rest assured for all the questions press Y. So remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow root login, yes. Remove test database, yes. And reload the tables, yes. That's it, we're done. So after MySQL is completed, we'll be installing PHP 7.4 version. So we'll add the official repository. Press enter. So it is installing the repository. Once repository is added, we'll update we'll update our repository list. So once this is done, we are good to go to install our PHP packages. So copy the command, paste it, press enter and press Y. So these are the new packages going to be installed and it will be consuming 69 MB of our space. So once this is done, we'll be enabling the modules, we'll rewrite it and again we'll restart the Apache service.
No, nothing to go.
No. PHP is completed. Let's check the port status. So our MySQL is running on port 334, Apache is running on 80. So to validate it, let's copy our public IP and paste in the browser, and if we are good to go, then we should get Apache page. Right? Awesome. So we have successfully installed a LAMP stack. Stay tuned, so we'll be getting a new posts, new blogs every day. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Cheers.